All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're going over our artificial intelligence course. We're still in our knowledge module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we went over conjunctive normal forms, or CNF for short. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what that's about. Now, conjunctive normal form requires that it's just clause and clause and clause and clause. Any knots need to be immediately next to propositional symbols. But we can move those knots around using De Morgan's laws by taking something like not A and B and turn it into not A or not B, for example, using De Morgan's laws to manipulate that. After that, all we'll be left with are ends and ors. Those are easy to deal with using distributive law to distribute the ors so that the ors end up on the inside of the expression, so to speak, and the ends end up on the outside. And this is a quick breakdown of what that looks like. Conversion to CNF, or conjunctive normal form. First, we eliminate biconditionals. We would turn A if and only if B into A implies B and B implies A. Next, we will eliminate implications. We would turn A implies B into not A or B. Now we'll move not inwards using De Morgan's laws. Example, turn not A and B into not A or not B. Lastly, we'll use distributive law to distribute or whatever possible. This is the general pattern for how we'll take a formula, and convert it into conjunctive normal form. This is an example of how we can do this and why we want to. See, this is the example here. So we would have P or Q implies R is the implication, not P or Q or R. Step one is eliminate of implications, meaning we eliminate the implication and we just have the not P or Q or R. Next will be the not P and not Q or R. Step two, we use De Morgan's law to do this. And the last step will be not P or R and not Q or R, which is step three, distributive law, and that will equal out conjunctive normal form. Now again, it was a long night. I wasn't about to make this video because my mic was messed up somehow, but I got it working just so I can give you this guy's video tonight. But yeah, that's the overview we went over tonight. Conjunctive. Let me go back up here. I can't even remember the words now. It's such a long night. Yeah, conjunctive normal forms. If you want to read up more on that information, you can always Google it or, follow along with me, and I'll be happy to dive deeper into it with you. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.